Runaway pigs. They keep running away from their mama and their own pasture and coming up here getting in the cow's pasture. Especially big old Lordy over there.
Yep. Say I'm the ringleader and the baby's feet follow me. But that way you know how much the baby pigs is growed. They out rambling around.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure she raised all 8 of them.
Are they 7?
Yep, but
right there.
I bet you there'll be another down yonder. Is that one walking up the pig pen road?
Yeah, there's one little and another bigger pig down yonder.
Yep, because I know I counted 8 yesterday. But guys, it's Tuesday, August the 17th, and Fred, look, this is the way North Carolina's been. We've been under...
you ain't seeing the worst.
No. We've been under a tornado watch since 1 o'clock today, and it has poured for 3 days. Look at that dark sky. We just caught a break and we come out to do the feeding, but Hurricane Fred got us sopping wet. No, I think Fred was well, now it's a tropical depression.
I didn't think he ever made it to the hurricane. I thought he just stayed at tropical.
Down there's Parquet saying, I want some feed.
Back in there and we go feed Parquet.
Well, I was going to show them the guineas. Here's big old Parquet.
What's Parquet wanting?
And there's Toot. Here comes Heidi. See what Parquet's doing. Toot says, me next, me next. Ain't Tootie pretty? And here's Miss Heidi Ho. She's pregnant. Nah, she's pregnant. But you see all this? My family in Wilkes County has been dodging tornadoes all day. There's been confirmed ones in 2 different places. Confirmed touchdowns. Which I think one was in Iredell, but one was in Wilkes, and that's where my family is. And don't know if they got a tornado through Stone Mountain or not, but that's about, well, depending. It's less than 5 miles from my daddy's house. And that's where the worst part of the storm was supposed to be, but I guess this is tropical storm or tropical depression Fred, but this is what we've been dealing with all day. Actually, this is day 3. We've had heavy, heavy rains for 2 days.
Yeah, you remember what Fred hollered, don't you?
What?
Donnie! You Donnie? Get out of the rain.
But it's rained pretty much all day today. We've had heavy, heavy downpours for 2. I'll show you the baby guineas in a minute. Let's see if Brown Bull talk to Glenn like he used to. There's little PH. There's Brownie. There's the steer.
Huh?
There's the bull.
What you want? Huh?
Tell him, Brown Bull.
What?
Tell him, Brown Bull.
What you want? You want some of this? Huh?
Say I'm licking the bucket. He ain't gonna talk to us today. He usually does, but I guess they've been fighting the storm. I was gonna see if the creek was out, but
come on up here, stinker.
Can't tell from here. That's Parquet's baby bull.
Yeah, stinker.
Yep. See how fat he is? We just have got him off his mama a few days ago. Come on. I bet you y'all never guess what they eating, will they?
I Probably not.
They having them
People
some.
probably wouldn't believe it. They'll eat it, and some people probably say it's not good for them.
But y'all want to guess what it is? Let me see if I can show you. All right, guys, tell me what they're eating. We'll let you know in the comments after you guess, but tell me what they're eating. And that's all it is. See, he's got the same stuff up there. But let us know. And phone just went off again. Tornado watch. See the babies down there? See how long it takes them. There's some more. Y'all see how bad it's washed? I mean, it's washed awful. Yep.
Ding-a-lings. There, that's a solid red pig.
That's the one I was petting the other day. Come on, babies. So piggy. See, look at them. Y'all better come on. Come on. So pig, so. Watch them stand there and look. You said there was 7 boys and 1 girl? Or 5 boys? 5 boys and 3 girls out of them 8. Come on, babies.
Got 6 boys.
If it wasn't so wet and miserable, I'd pet them for y'all, but it's so wet and where that went off, and it's about time for another rain shower. Up there's where they go back in. Let me see if I can get them run in there so they can eat. Well, Glenn's going up through there.
Get in there, you little fat rascals.
But these here all sows. We got 1 boy. I don't know where he's at now. Onesie. I think he's, yeah, that's what I started to say. I think he's the one on this side.
Yeah, that little bitty white thing standing there, that little skinny rascal.
Yeah.
They just changed his name to Slim.
Yeah. Shoo, piggy. The others are still down there in the pasture eating.
Yeah, it won't take them but a few more days, and they'll start running up here at feeding time.
Well, they usually do, but that big one down there.
I ain't really, the little ones haven't really got started at it too much. There's a couple of them in here trying to eat.
Shoot, the little ones was eating a week after they was born. Not a whole lot, but don't take much for an itty bitty thing. And them ours are lice babies, and see how big they got? Going up through there with the black. See, down there's the baby eating.
Before these lice ones?
Yeah. Alrighty, you seen the piggies.
I got wash.
Now it's off to the chickens.
My pit.
They gonna have water.
Yeah, the little one looks empty.
Look how these are growing. You remember the itty bitty guinea babies? They getting big. They running around in there like crazy. We hated to leave them out and the cats or wild animals get them. And 2, they're bad to hide in the grass, and us having to come down through here to feed the other ones. That's why we put them in here.
I put them in there so predators wouldn't get them.
Well, that's what I was saying. The cats and other predators. And then us too. Ain't that cute? Say we such cute babies. We got them 2 mamas. That way they can keep good and warm, and mama can still teach them. Alright, they up here. They're all up here. Alright, we hooked and ready. Here we go. I do this. I watch back here. And see when it gets up to a new spot. Whoa, whoa! You good? Pull! And I tell him he's done. And then I unhook it and we feed him. You want to know how you can tell whose house you're at?
How?
If you're at Homer's house. This egg.
That's a Homer egg?
That's a Homer egg. If you're at Billy's house. Billy egg, Homer egg. Watch me bust them. If you're at Lazy Acres' house.
Now, that's what I call a lazy egg.
That's a lazy egg.
After you eat that, you ready to go to bed.
And this is at least a medium, if not
no,
a large egg.
that's a large egg.
And
that's
this
ours.
is ours.
Uh-huh.
Look at the difference.
There's a difference.
Uh-huh. Alrighty, guys. We're going to get off here and go in the house and have some supper because it looks like it's coming again.
Yep. Her
Right
alarms
there's
done went off again and everything, and it's getting ready to start.
Yep.
And clouds are rolling in.
So we love you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.